wonderfully named Fazakerley. Where it got its name from, I don't know. But this is Fazakerley. I've got a little while before I pick up my ex from Fazakerley Hospital over the road, so I thought I'd just do a couple of little videos. Over the way, some nice little planters, a bit tired looking, and there's Fazakerley station with its lifts and its bridge and nice little suburban station. Not much to say really, except I hope my ex is okay when I pick her up, probably in a couple of hours or so. Anyway, if you've got nothing to say, don't say it. So that's Fazakerley station. I know we might head off to Kirby. Right, take care folks.